We got Mitchell's tanning up here in the shop today.
We're just gonna put a pro charge on it.
Gotta hit up this game. You got two out there, you're in the tent. Can't say what they are.
Alright guys, welcome back. We made it out to Leadfoot City, so we're about to get driving. Today's Send It Saturday. They're gonna have two-step, they're gonna have drifting, and they're gonna have a little bit of drag racing. But we're about to unload the trailer, get in line, and get signed up, and get on the track. Let's go.
Taking a breath, closing my eyes, taking a break. I don't want to run, I cherish myself, so don't cross the line.
Do not drive on the back strip, all in the middle.
Do not break the silence. I'm not losing time, I want to waste it with you. Please be quiet, do not break the silence.
Alright, everybody's lined up. We're about to get in the car and go take some laps, so let's get to it. It was cool. We're in the garage out here causing havoc. Alright, so we got done with the first session. This place is fun as I don't know what. We're having a great time out here. We got got my boy Andrew Grendel out here. A lot of the No Tread guys are here as well. Zach Nova team, probably gonna get some tandems with a couple of those guys, but we hit up Mike. We were tandem with him earlier, but he broke his control arm, so he's out. We also got this whole corner here. Achilles hooked us up, so we got this whole corner over here to just chill. So thanks Achilles, Leadfoot City. Let's go. Load up and get up out of here. We had a great time out at Leadfoot City. Couldn't ask for a better day. Track was awesome. Layout was awesome. Matt was running grid. Had a great time. Let's go. We'll see you on the next one.